The Inspiration Explorer application was designed to help you narrow down a long list of intended brand associations to a short list of the most authentic and original frames of reference that you want your brand to evoke the most. Enter your corporate values, shared customer passions, and/or copy-paste the interesting themes resulting from the Competitive Profiler application as inputs for the Inspiration Explorer application. Simply click on the Add an Intended Association button on the upper right to add these themes as keywords to form your wish list of up to 10 candidate keywords. Mindspeller dictionary words can easily be purchased with Mindcoins within the app. Next, click the Generate button in the lower right corner to reveal inspirational themes that represent the commonalities between the keywords entered. The top part of the graph ranks the overlapping associations based on originality. The concepts on the left indicate the least amount of responses for this association so far. This indicates higher potential for claiming original frames of reference for your brand. The bottom part of the graph ranks the common denominator themes overlapping your inputs based on popularity. The associations on the left represent the most popular ones, perhaps more relevant for SEO purposes. Browse both rankings and select the associations that have the potential to differentiate your brand in the mind of your consumer, that have a credible link to your brand DNA, and that your competitors are not likely to claim. You may also want to check the stability score in the association wheel application if your shortlisted concepts aren't too ambiguous to code for on the subconscious level. Best practice examples of frames of reference for Duracell would be energy, bunny, and keep going. Or for Tropicana, childhood, Florida, and sweetness. If a concept you would like to add to your long or short list has not yet been surveyed, simply order the concept via your asset library.